Hello children, we are doing revision of lesson 6 food and health. We have already done half of the revision from this chapter till here. So today we will start from here food habits that is on page number 39. People who eat both plants and animal products are called non-vegetarians. Here they are talking about the people those who eat प्लांट प्रोडक्ट्स मीन्स जो चीज़ें हमें प्लांट से मिलती है. ऑल टाइप ऑफ वेजिटेबल्स, ऑल टाइप ऑफ फ्रूट्स, सीरियल्स, पल्सेस, spices, everything, and as well as animal products. Animal products are milk, egg, fish, meat, honey, all these things. Means those people who eat plant products as well as animal products जो दोनों खाते हैं, they are called non-vegetarian. Okay, they are called non-vegetarian, those who eat plants and animal products. But the people who do not eat meat, they are not saying that they do not eat animals products, but here they are saying they do not eat meat, sometimes other animal product. कभी कभी कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो केवल मीट नहीं खाते हैं, but they take other products of animals, like they take honey, they take milk, they take egg, but they don't eat meat, they don't eat fish. They are also called vegetarians. Okay, it doesn't mean that vegetarians do not eat any animals product. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वेजिटेरियन जो है वो केवल प्लांट्स प्रोडक्ट्स खाते हैं और वो एनिमल का कोई भी प्रोडक्ट नहीं खाते हैं. It doesn't mean. But here they are saying that people who eat some animal products but they don't eat meat. वो दूसरे एनिमल प्रोडक्ट्स को खाते हैं, लेते हैं, लेकिन वो मीट नहीं खाते. दे आर कॉल्ड वेजिटेरियंस. ओके, देन चिप्स, आइसक्रीम, बर्गर्स, पिज्जाज आर कॉल्ड जंक फूड और फास्ट फूड. दे मे बी टेस्टी बट दे आर नॉट गुड फॉर हेल्थ. These pictures are very tasty, na? It's looking yummy, na? But they are not good for your health, children. They are called fast food or they are called junk food. But if we eat these foods regularly, our health will become down. अगर हम ये रोज खाने में खाएंगे तो हमारा हेल्थ जो होगा वो खराब हो जाएगा. We can take once a month, but not in our regular meal. Okay. So these are the examples: chips, ice cream, burgers, and pizza. Many more things, you know. Then we must follow the following golden rules. These rules are golden rules. Why we call golden rules? Because if we follow these rules in our habit, our health will become we will become healthy and we will not get sick. So what are the rules? That wash your hands before and after eating. Do not eat uncovered food. Eat slowly and chew the food properly. Do not eat junk food. We should always wash our hands before eating. Before eating means because our hands may be dirty. If we eat with our hands, all the germs of the bacteria will go inside in our stomach with the food. And after eating also, because when we eat with our hand, our hands will become dirty with the food. So we should always wash our hand. We should not wipe in our cloth. Sometimes children wipe in their dress and they don't want to wash their hands after eating. खाने के पहले भी धोना चाहिए और खाने के बाद भी, क्योंकि खाने के पहले धोना चाहिए क्योंकि हाथ अगर गंदे हैं तो वो सारे बर्ड जर्म्स और बैक्टीरियाज हमारे पेट में चले जाएंगे अगर हम हाथ से खाना खाते हैं. और अगर बाद में नहीं धोते हैं, कभी कभी बच्चे अपने खाना खाया या कोई भी चीज़ खाई, चिप्स खाया या कोई चीज़ भी खाया और उन्होंने अपने हाथ कपड़े में उसको पोंछ लिया, तो ये भी गंदी बात है। और उनको खाने के बाद भी, कोई भी चीज़ खाने के बाद भी उनको हाथ धोना चाहिए। देन डू नॉट ईट अनकवर्ड फूड। वाई? बिकॉज फ्लाइज जो होती हैं, मक्खियाँ जो होती हैं, वो खुले हुए खाने पे बैठती हैं। इफ़ यू विल नॉट कवर द फूड एंड वी ईट दैट फूड, वी मे गेट सिक, हम लोग बीमार पड़ सकते हैं। Then eat very slowly. Sometimes children eat very fast. Just they finish the work and they finish the food and they want to watch TV or they want to play with the mobile. But this is very bad thing and harmful also for your health. Eat slowly and chew the food very properly. आप खाना धीरे धीरे खाइए, छोटे छोटे बाइट लेके खाइए और अच्छे से चबा खाइए। कभी कभी बच्चे मोबाइल के लिए या टीवी की वजह से अपने खाने को जल्दी जल्दी खा लेते हैं और वो उनके लिए अच्छा नहीं होता है। देन डू नॉट ईट जंक फूड। वी शुड अवॉइड जंक फूड। हमको जंक फूड आपको बता दिया, उसको हमें अवॉइड करना चाहिए, हमें नहीं खाना चाहिए, स्पेशली नॉट इन अ एवरीडे मील। हमको मील में नहीं कि आज हम पिज्ज़ा खाएंगे, कल हम बर्गर खाएंगे, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। वी शुड टेक ओनली हेल्दी फूड। वट एवर वी टेक, whatever we are, means vegetarian or non-vegetarian, we should take healthy foods. Then we should drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Children, we should drink lots of water every day. हमें पानी बहुत पीना चाहिए because it's help in our digestion and water can make us free from many diseases. If we take proper water, means 6 to 8 or 10 glasses of water every day, we will not have any stomach problem and we will be fit, we will be energetic. So always take water 6, 8, 10 glasses in a day. Now I have prepared the question from this half of the part, that you do revision. From there you do revision. And children, again I'm telling you that these questions are not same which you are getting in your question paper. This is just for your practice. You have to read everything from your book very nicely, from your copy very nicely, so that you can get very good marks in your exam. Question number 1 is, we have dash meals in a day. We have 2 meals, 3 times of meal, 6 or 8. The correct answer is 3. We have 3 main meals in a day: breakfast, lunch and the dinner. Question number 2 is, non-vegetarians eat. Those who are non-vegetarian, they eat plant products, animal products, both products. Both products means plant and animal or none of it. Here the correct option is both products. As I explain you that non-vegetarians eat animal products and the plant products also. So if you will so both products is the correct option. If you will put only on animal product, that will be wrong, because they eat plant products also. They take pulses, rice, cereals, vegetables, fruits, etc. Question number 3 is, it is not a junk food. It is not a junk food. It is not a junk food. Option A, burger, pizza, paneer, chips. What is not a junk food? It's a paneer. Paneer is made from the milk and paneer is very healthy food. Burger, pizza and chips are junk food. Question is not a junk food, so you will take on paneer. Question number 4 is, we should wash our dash before and after eating. What we should wash? Just now I have explained you. Hands, legs, teeth or face. Yes, correct answer is hands. That we should wash our hands before and after eating. Question number 5 is, fast food are for us. What are the fast food for us? A, good. They are good for us. not good. Fast food are not good for us. They are healthy. Fast foods are healthy for us. Or all of these means all together these all options are correct. No. Fast food are not good for our health, children. Remember this. They are tasty, but they are not good for our health. This is revision of lesson 6 part 2. Do in your rough copy, learn, revise, do practice and study for your exam.